Hi everyone, welcome to our Java programming tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn about the byte data type in Java. We'll cover what byte is, when to use it, and walk through some practical examples. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use byte in your Java programs. So, what exactly is byte in Java? Byte is a primitive data type that represents an 8-bit signed integer. This means it can store values from -128 to 127. Let's look at a simple example of how to declare a byte variable. Byte example byte equals 100. System.out.println example byte value plus example byte. When to use byte? Byte is useful, memory efficiency, binary data, serialization. Now, when should you use byte? Byte is useful in scenarios where memory efficiency is important, like in large arrays. It's also used for handling binary data, such as file I/O operations and network communications. For example, if you're reading data from a file or sending data over a network, you might use byte to manage the raw binary data. However, we need to be careful with the range and sometimes use casting to avoid errors. That's it for today's tutorial on the byte data type in Java. We covered what byte is, when to use it, and walked through some practical examples. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice using byte in your own programs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.